What's up everyone, I'm David with Jouppi Outdoors RV Repair, and we are so excited to be back here in South Florida on the Treasure Coast. We're back home. We've been gone for a while, but we are bringing Jouppi Outdoors RV Repair back to the Treasure Coast. If you live in Port St. Lucie, Fort Pierce, Stuart, Jensen Beach, all the way out to Okeechobee, anywhere in the Treasure Coast area or out in Okeechobee, give us a call for all your RV repair needs. We specialize primarily in air conditioning repair. We do water heaters, both regular tank water heaters and upgrading to tankless water heaters. We do electrical work, both AC and DC. So if you have battery needs, inverters, we take care of those as well. We also take care of maintenance. We do roof reseals. We can replace your slide seals. So any of your maintenance needs, definitely reach out. We'll get you a quote on that. If you're not sure we can take care of the type of repair that you need, you can go right here on this channel. I'll leave a link above. You can click right on our RV repair playlist. I've chronicled every RV repair that I've done to our own RV personally while we were traveling. I've got a ton of videos on that stuff. Take a look in there. You might find something useful. Maybe you'll be able to take care of your problem yourself by just watching some of our videos. But if not, you can reach out to us at 772-631-9398. Jouppi Outdoors RV Repair. We'll be happy to take care of you.